Oke.
Mas Richard, please, you first.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So this is our group 10. My name is Muhammad Richard Pranata, or sometimes you call me Richard. There is another member of my group. There is Dwi Yulianingsi and Hana Natana Salsabila or Hana. Okay, in this time we will discuss about exploring film elements. Okay, to the next slide. Literary aspects film. There is a few of aspect film. There is a plot, setting, themes, and symbolisms. So I will minimize it. The aspect of film, there is plot, even that from a significant pattern of action with the beginning, middle, and end, or you can use it or recognize it at introduction, conflict, to the climax and resolution. But in this time, I will choose plot in the event of beginning, middle, and end. They move from one place or even the another in order to form a pattern, usually with the purpose of overcoming conflict characters. So setting is defined as the physical location and the time of story. In stories, one or both of these elements are often not defined. Themes. The themes is recurring social or physical issue like aging, violence, alienation, or maturity, or sometimes in film you can use it like sci-fi or history like that. Symbolism in literature, symbolism object, even or a character that used to represent extract of idea. So, the question to us when viewing on literally level, what are the characters? So we review the film from the literary levels, we can conclude that who are the characters, what is the setting, what is the plot? Where is the plot? What is the plot? From what point of view is the story told? From first person, second person, or maybe third person? What is the film themes? Are there any symbols or recurring image like that? Okay, next, dramatic aspect of film. This element film shares with live drama, actors portraying characters through dialogue, non-verbal communication, and acting, also acting. There is actor portraying character through like a hero actor. They make a heroic dialogue and non-verbal communication like body language with such swordman or acting like that. Okay, next, Yulia.
Yeah. Thank you. Question to ask when viewing on a dramatic aspects. How effective is the acting? Why? How does the set affect understanding and enjoyment of the story? How are the costumes and makeup effective and establishing a character? Next. Cinematic aspect. No. Hop. Cinematic aspect of film. Miss and scan the arrangement of scenery and stack properties and play or the setting or surroundings of an event or action. There are elements unique to film. The first shot types, sounds and music, lighting, setting or scenery, props and costumes. Next. Types of shot. Extreme long shot, also known as an establishing shot, and contains a large amount of landscape. Long shot contains landscape but gives the viewer or more specific idea of setting. A long shot may show the viewers the building where the action will take place. Main shot contains the character from the waist up, and you can see their interaction with other characters. And the last close-up context contains just one character face and enables the audience to view the character feelings and emotion to help them feel empathy. Hannah.
And the last is extreme up contains one part of a character's face or other object. This technique is quite common in horror films. Questions to ask when viewing on a cinematic aspects. What sounds or music do you remember? What did they make you feel or think about? What scene has very effective or unusual editing? What vivid visual image did you note? What did they make you feel or think about? And this is, I think, the genre. The underdog, like Rocky, 1978 at McFarlane, USA.
Excuse me? Hello?
Hannah, where is Hannah?
Hannah?
Iya.
Oke, oke.
Iya. Iya, dari mana tadi? Oke.
The Underdog.
Extreme ini tadi. Lanjutnya Mbak Yul. Extreme close-up contains one part of a character's face or other object. This technique is quite common in horror films. Questions to ask when viewing on a cinematic aspects. What sounds or music do you remember? What did they make you feel or think about? What scene has very effective or unusual editing? What vivid visual images did you note? What did they make you feel or think about? And this is the, I think, the genre. The Underdog, Rocky, 1978, and McFarlane, USA, 2015. Point of focus is the triumph of the underdog, sports as motivation for character growth, importance of sport in film, could it work in another setting, characters who seek redemption. Sci-fi, E.T. the Extraterrestrial, 1982, Jurassic Park, 1993, Interstellar, 2030. Point of focus, filmmakers' use of sci-fi to make observation on humanity and society. Escapism, the need for audience to escape into fantasy worlds. Progression of sci-fi concepts. George's A Trip to the Moon. And the last is comedy. Spaceball, 1987. Satire or parody. Death Becomes Her, 1992. Dark comedy blended, 2014. Romantic comedy. Point of focus, how was funny changed since this importance of characters and situation to generate humor. Charlie Chaplin, brief history or comedic film. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Hannah. Thank you. Any question? How many question, ma'am?
Kata si aja.
Oh,
Maximum 3 question.
okay, 3 question, everybody. Any question?
Hi, it's me, Alia. I want to ask you.
Okay.
Maybe, yeah. It's talk about the film. I want to know, what the difference, the film, this era, and maybe can I using my bahasa maybe. Jadi apa sih bedanya film sekarang yang spesifik banget yang dulu sama yang sekarang? Mungkin different elementsnya atau kind of what? Maybe you can explain to me.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
So Alia, what is the difference between film nowadays and comparing with past with the past? Is that true?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
Okay. From the first slide, like the seventh slide, we know types of shots. So at the past, at maybe at 80s or 90s, we know that this kind of technology camera didn't show up with extreme long shot or maybe extreme close up because limit of our technology. Or Indonesia in bahasa mereka nggak punya teknologi untuk extreme long shot dan juga extreme close up, dan biasanya mereka fokus ke mid shot. That is the difference between technology nowadays and the past. That's perspective from technology perspective. But in the genre perspective, we know film back in the day itu tergantung tren. Kalau trennya pertama kali ada kamera, the trend is comedy, because you know back in the day there is no voice in a film, like Charlie Chaplin movie. Have you ever seen that? Yeah, there is
I
no
know.
voice. There is no voice. It's act of comedy, act of if we take a look at second slide, I mean. Nah, oh no. Seconds from. Nah, from dramatic aspect of film, back in the day, they always use non-verbal comedy, body language, like Charlie Chaplin fall or Charlie Chaplin race with another car, like that. But comparing with nowadays films, it's becoming sci-fi or maybe trend from in bioscope today we often see sci-fi movies. So the point of focus that escapism, the need for audience to escape into fantasy world. Like film horror or maybe like to the Fast and Furious 9. It's like it's a fantasy world. Like Trip of the Moon, like the Interstellar. So it's depend of the trend. If you from the perspective of timeline, so that is the difference between film back in the day and nowadays films. Is it enough, Alia?
Clear. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for
Okay.
your answer.
Any question?
Oke, thank you.
Okay.
Richard ya?
Iya, ma'am. Richard, ma'am.
Richard. Richard ya.
Iya, ma'am.
Oke. Next question.
Next question.
Hello, may I ask?
Yes, of
Yes.
course.
Okay, thank you for your explanation. I want to ask all of you, is there any film that have you mesmerized from the elements? Tadi kan kayaknya dijelasin tentang elements ya, elements film.
Yeah.
Ada nggak sih film yang bikin kalian tuh kok dari segi elemennya itu kayak wah kayak gitu? Buat kalian bertiga ya, jadi aku ingin tahu dari kalian bertiga, jadi bukan cuma satu. Film yang bikin kalian kok dari poin elemen filmnya itu tuh kayak bikin kalian wah kayak gitu. Ada nggak? Thank you.
Oh ya, okay. Thank you. Okay, Hana first. Hana, have you any film that inspire you the most? Or maybe Yulia first. Hana, you there?
Yes.
Yeah.
My film is saya Mas. Yulia.
Yeah. Okay, who first?
Okay, my film. Yes. Okay, my film is Miss and Skin. Itu apa ya? Film itu sangat apa ya? Sesuai dengan elemen yang saya pakai di PPT-nya ini. Jadi dia itu benar-benar wow, menonjolkan karakternya, terus apa namanya, apa yang ada diperagakan sama orangnya itu, terus apa ya, actingnya sudah menonjol gitu. Miss and Skin, tahu nggak Mbak Rahma?
I never heard of it.
Oh,
How
you
did
can
you fit
open
and skin?
in YouTube.
Would you please type the title on the comment section? Thank you.
Okay. And my
Miss and
favorite.
Skin.
I have favorite film. There is 50 Shades of the Grey, because from the scenery, it's talking about a lust become love. I love the scenery of 50 Shades of the Grey, but I didn't like 50 Shades Darker. If from 50 Shades of Grey, I learned that it's inspired me the most how to be retractor masculine. Inspired me the most. Do you know 50 Shades of the Grey?
I have heard the title but never watched it. Thank you.
Okay.
How about Hannah?
Ana.
Ya, halo. Halo Mbak Rama.
Hola, hola. How about your preference movie?
Sebenarnya kalau movie sih, aku nggak terlalu gimana ya Mbak, nggak terlalu punya yang favorit. Cuma kalau genre itu lebih ke horror.
Quiet Place.
Oh, it's okay. Nggak apa-apa kan. Aku bilangnya movie kan. Jadi terserah. Pokoknya yang bikin kalian kalau dari sisi apa di elemen atau cinematic point-nya itu kayak bikin oh ini bagus banget ya ampun lighting-nya ininya gitu. Ada nggak sih? Ada ya tadi horror ya? Yang mana?
Itu sih horror semua gitu ya Mbak ya. Dari setiap apa sih karakternya kan menonjolkan karakter masing-masing, terus apa ya, aktingnya tuh wow gitu loh, makanya aku tuh kayak suka banget sampai ini kayak film-film horor gitu dan film lainnya kayak action apa gitu.
Oh, I get it. Okay, so is there any the most favorite of horror movie? Yang paling favorit banget deh, yang bikin kamu, ini keren banget nih gitu. Kok dari sisi ininya lah, sinematiknya lah.
Yang paling
Apa gitu?
favorit Conjuring Mbak, dari part
Conjuring.
pertama sampai sekarang ini.
Wow, oke. Let's know that. Thank you all. Ada lagi kah?
Ana,
No.
ya tapi jangan terlalu ini ya, terbawa ya. Yang saya tahu itu, saya baca berita ada yang sampai kesurupan itu.
Oke, thank you all.
Jadi ini apa? Serem ya, screaming ya.
Okay. One last question ya, Mem. Tahu enough?
Oke.
Any question, everyone?
Any question? If there is no question, we'll be continue for the next group to present the PPT.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, enough ya, Mem ya.
Ya.
Berarti ya.
No question.
Closing, Mas.
No question ya.
There is no question.
Okay, if no question, you can close. Yeah, closing.
Okay, thank you for your participation, my fellow friends, and thank you for Mem Erma. I think enough for our explanation about exploring film elements. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Ya. Richard ya.
Iya,
Richard.
Mem.
Gimana Richard? Udah keluar UTS-nya, nilai UTS-nya?
Saya belum, Mem. Belum,
Belum.
Mem. Belum lihat nih. Saya juga belum pulang ke rumah ini, Mem, juga.
Kemana?
Apa, Mem?
Kenapa nggak pulang kemana?
Orang tua saya isolasi, Mem, di rumah. Saya
Oh,
iya.
Isman, isolasi mandiri.
Iya, Mem. Iya.
Kalau boleh tahu kenapa awalnya?
COVID, Mem. Awalnya ayah saya ikut kayak seminar di Hotel Neo gitu tentang UMKM. Terus ayah saya
Ya Allah.
kena radang paru juga ternyata.
Ya Allah. Gitu ya.
Iya.
Mudah-mudahan lekas sembuh ya.
Iya, Mem.
Yang ini, yang positif siapa?
Ibu sama ayah, Mem.
Ya Allah, astagfirullah. Ya,
Iya.
nggak apa-apa, disupport aja, didoakan ya.
Iya, Mem.
Terus kan bisa via telepon apa. Terus makannya gimana?
Oh, saya manggil catering, Mem. Gitu.
Manggil catering terus
Iya.
diletakkan di depan gitu ya.
Iya, melawan di depan. Ini jadi saya ikut di rumahnya adik saya di Malang.
Saya ini di tetangga saya juga ada.
Oh.
Cuman ya ini, jadi kalau tetangga sih ini satu tetangga itu ya kita satu RT itu kita gantian.
Oh.
Maksudnya apa? Ada yang ngirim ke sana taruh di ini pagar gitu.
Oh. Soalnya saya pindahan orang tua saya juga.
Gitu ya. Tapi nggak apa-apa ya, insya Allah.
Ya,
tapi nggak sampai dirawat di rumah sakit kan?
Ayah yang di rumah sakit Mem sempat, tapi baru keluar hari ini.
Baru keluar hari ini.
Iya,
ya,
baru
mudah-mudahan lekas sembuh ya.
Iya, Mem.
Ya, mudah-mudahan lekas sembuh untuk ayahnya.
Amin.
Kita doakan sama-sama ya, Mbak. Yang di kelas ini tolong didoakan orang tuanya Richard Yuda Pranata ya. Mudah-mudahan lekas sembuh. Allah mengangkat segala penyakitnya ya.
Amin.
Amin ya. Untuk Bapak Ibunya juga ya. Kita kirim Al-Fatihah ya.
Ya.
Ya. Oke. Insya Allah sembuh. Yang penting apa? Support lingkungan sekitarnya ya. Anak, saudaranya ya.
Iya. Ya,
apa. Just bikin happy aja.
Ya.
Kita kan nggak tahu.
Ya.
Ya, nggak apa? Jangan terlalu kepikiran. Nanti malah ini bikin drop juga ya. Udah bikin happy aja kayak sakit biasa. Yang penting kita gimana usaha kita maksimal gitu ya.
Ya, Mem.
Oke.
Thank you everyone.
Yeah, thank you Richard.
Okay. I will end this.